Peace and happiness to you all. So listen, I want to show you how simple it is to self-publish your own book. So I'm going to show you some tools that you can use to self-publish your own book. So this is one of the tools, right? So once you have your content, you have your manuscript, you upload it here, right? Once you have it here, you can edit it, right? So now this tool here, once you edit it, you can export it directly to Amazon, right? You can export it to KDP. So it's very simple, right? You have your content, right? You can change anything here, right? For example, right, you can edit, you can modify. So you have your chapters, chapter number 1, chapter number 2, and then you also have your table of content. Now, all this was auto-generated, right? So the table of content was auto-generated. All you need to do is you just need to click here, right? Let me show you something here, right? You see where it says front matter. Now, front matters is your right. So before, right, those are the content in front of the page, right? So for example, your table of content, your title page, your what else, the copyright and all that. So let me show you something here. So as you see here, right, table of content, all you need to do is really just click here. So let me cancel this and show you. So if I click the plus button, it's gonna bring up some it's coming, it's up. Is it coming? Yeah, it's download. So here it is. So see, here's the option. So you have the option of just adding a title page, right? Which you can add a title page here, right? You add the title page, right? Name of the book, the book title, book subtitle, the author's name, the publisher. You're the publisher, right? Because you're self-publishing your own book, you are the self-publisher. And you can even upload your own image, right? So you can upload your own image, or you can upload your logo. So if you are self-publishing it under your own name or under your own company's name, you can upload your own image, right? And then after that, you can also, right? So let me just hit cancel because I've already done it. So I don't want to do it again. And then this is the copyright, right? So this is the copyright here, copyright owner. You're the copyright owner, right? Your year of publication. And then, right now, this is these are standard copyright text, right? If you want to edit it, you can go ahead and edit it. But if you're fine with it, then you can just leave it as it is. And this is the ISBN number. Now, I'm going to talk about the ISBN number on another video. Usually, if you don't have an ISBN number, when you're uploading it to platforms like Amazon or any other distribution, any other book distribution platform, they will assign you with an ISBN number. So you don't have to worry about that, right? And so, right, it's pretty simple, right? You enter your name, year of publication, right? I'm not going to do it because I've already done it. Cancel, right? And then you know, dedication page, right? So there's different types of content that you can enter, right? Table of content. So I've already added the table of content. If you want to add the introduction, right? If you want to add, right? So this is everything that you can add. Now, let me see here. I think I've already added the table of content, right? So here's the table of content, the title page. Did I also add? I just want to see if I added the, where is it? Okay, so yeah, here it is. So yeah, so this is, right? So this is what it looks like, right? You have your title page, then, right, your table of content and so on. So the only thing I didn't add was the copyright, right? So copyright owner, just going to put Vita King, year of publication, let's say 2024, right? And then once I hit create, right, boom, there's the copyright right there, right? So as I said, the ISBN number, if you don't have it, depending on which book publisher or book distributor you're using, they're going to assign an ISBN number for you, right? So you can actually delete it or you can edit it. So if I go back here, right, I can just edit and then just remove the ISBN number if you don't have your own ISBN number and so on, so, right? And then you hit submit, update, boom, it updated for you. So now you have your title page, right? You have your copyright page, you have your table of content, and then you have your chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5. See, it's very straightforward, right? Very simple. Let's say you wanted to add an image, right? Somewhere here, right? So let's say chapter 1, right? You want to add, is it chapter 1? Yeah, let's go back to chapter 1 here. So let's say you want to add an image, right? So if you want to add an image, just go, we go back to insert, go to image, right? And then you can select the image that you want to add, right? So it's very straightforward. This is how you, now I want to give you, I'm giving you an idea so that way you can start thinking about self-publishing your own books, right? You can publish your own, the knowledge that you've accumulated throughout the year. You can self-publish that. You can publish your own story. You can publish your opinions. You can publish anything. Now, publishing, it's all print on demand. So whatever book you publish, it's print on demand. So that means you don't have to order, right? You don't have to have inventory of the books that you created. No, it's all print on demand. Somebody purchases it, then Amazon or whatever book distribution platform you use, they're going to ship that book. So that's how print on demand business works, right? You don't need to have the inventory on you. All you need to do is just create one copy, one sample, one manuscript. That's it. Once you have one manuscript, that manuscript gets printed over and over and over and over, and it's shipped, and it's print on demand, right? So that means when somebody purchases it, it gets shipped. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about. I wanted to keep it simple here. And then also, as I said, right, there's templates that you can download, right? There's a lot of resources. I want you to start thinking, right? Self-publishing is not something far-fetched. It's not something that it's not that you can't grasp. No, it's there, right? You can start thinking about, I'm trying to sow some seed, right? So that way you can start seeing that, oh, this is very straightforward. I can actually do it, right? And you can use platforms like ChatGPT. You can use AI to help you with the planning, to assist you. You can collaborate with AI. So if you don't, I think one of the most difficult part about self-publishing is coming up with the idea, right? The writer's block. That's what a lot of people have, writer's block. But with platforms like AI, ChatGPT, you can create a book in less than a minute. Let me show you something, right? Let's say, watch this. I'm going to show you something. So write a book about, let's say write a book about cooking, right? Let's say about cooking. Let's say make it 3, let's make it 5 chapters, right? And if you hit enter, right, I'm just showing you the possibility, right? You don't have to be limited. You can use AI, you can collaborate with AI, you can use AI as an assistant, you can use your own content and then use AI to modify it, to refine it, right? Or you can use AI to come up with the content and then you modify it, you refine it. So there's different strategies, there's different approach. So as you can see here, while I was talking to you, right, AI just gave me a book title, right? The Art of Everyday Cooking, a Journey from Basics to Brilliance. So chapter number 1, it gave me so this is the outline. It's giving me the outline here. So let me, and then once you are satisfied with the outline, I can tell it now to write it, right? So say write chapter 1, right? So it's going to write chapter number 1. So this is how simple it is to self-publish your own book, right? You just need to know the tools. So that's why at our company, Toe Publishing, I'm going to leave the link below in the description section, Tree of Life Publishing. This is what we do. We have training session, we have consultation. We show you step by step what you need to do, the tools. We show you the tools, how to publish it, how to format it, how to create an ebook cover, how to create. So AI, you can use AI to create all these tools, to start with the self-publishing, right? So chapter 1. So created chapter 1. Now here's one thing about AI or ChatGPT. You have to be very specific with your prompt, right? So let's say, right? So it gave you chapter 1, but it looks like it's all over the place. So let's say write chapter. You can refine your prompt and say write, write chapter 1 without the bulletin points, right? Without the bulletin points and numbers, right? Because you don't want the bulletin points and numbers. It's going to write it again, right? So this is how easy it is for you to start creating your own book. And as I said, if you already have your own content, you can use that content and work with ChatGPT or work with AI to refine it, to to modify it or to enhance it or to to make it more, to format it, right? So there we go, right? So that's chapter number 1. So I did it again. Now once that's ready, you can just copy and paste, right? You copy and paste chapter number 1, right? Copy and paste it, or you can download the entire chapter and then you go back to the tool that we're using, and then here you can add it again. So see, that's how easy it is to just add right? So let's say you wanted to add another chapter, right? Let's go all the way at the bottom, right? Say you wanted to add right? Let me just want to show you something here, right? So boom, you can just copy and paste it, right? It's converting, right? And then there's also another way to do it, which is uploading it, saving it as a doc file, right? So there's different ways to working with AI. And just before I leave, I want to show you something else here, right? You can also use AI to create the book cover. So you can ask AI, create a book cover for a cooking book with the title, right? With the title. Now this is all AI. Title: everyday cooking, right? And then right, so we want AI to create the book cover for us, right? So this is all AI. So if I press auto, right, it's going to create the book cover for me, right? And then I can select different styles, right, of the book cover. Just want to show you something here, right? So I can select different styles. I'm just selecting different types of styles here so you can see. So it's creating the book. So this is all AI. So there's different types of AI tool. This tool that I'm showing you here, it's a free tool it's a free tool. Cooking, right? There, right? There, yeah. So this is AI for you, right? And it was all created by other users, right? Because I did not create these images here. This is all created by other users that are using this platform. So this is what you call the community feed, right? If I go here where it says creation, this is all the images that I created, right? So this will be your images, right? The home page, these are all images created by other users. So all the images that you see here, so on, so, and then you can also use these images as well. So let me go back to creation, to my images that I created. So here's the book cover, right? So every day, right? And I was just doing it quickly to show you that AI can create the book cover for you. So listen, that's pretty much it. As I said, here at our website, I'm going to leave the link to our website below. So if you're looking for training, if you're looking for one-on-one consultation session, if you're looking to know what tools to use, how to self-publish your book, how to create the book cover, how to use AI tools to, for the self-publishing process, to start the book, to create the book, then this is what we do here at Tree of Life Publishing. Okay, so I am out of here. I will see you all in the next video. I am